As you know, this morning, the 193 member states of the United Nations approved the political declaration on pandemic prevention, preparedness and response.
In May 2024, the 194 member states of the WHO will have their final vote on both of these international agreements. This process takes place behind closed doors. It is not reported nor discussed in our newspapers, in our national parliaments, in universities, nor in society. The WHO claims in these two legal instruments an absolute and non-questionable leadership in all health matters as soon as WHO refers itself to pandemic prevention, preparedness and response.
They're talking about here health products. Vaccines, medical devices, personal protective equipment, diagnostics, assistive products, I'm not quite sure what that is, cell and gene-based therapies and their components, materials or parts. Cell and gene-based therapies, health products including vaccines, medical devices. It really sounds really quite terrifying that the WHO would have total power over imposing these on us.
They want to give themselves surveillance power, determine treatments, vaccine mandates, vaccine distribution, vaccine intellectual property and profits, and they want to redistribute basically everything in the name of pandemics.
How is the declaration, the pandemic declaration approved today, how is it binding?
And if we look through other parts of the treaty, we can see here that this is what they've done quite often. Here all they've done is simply cross out non-binding. So instead of used to mean non-binding advice, now it means binding advice.
This is why this political declaration, as Dr. Tedros said, is historic and very important for the ongoing negotiation in Geneva, who will be binding to member states when they agree on the final text by May 24.